afternoon, Mirabelle members. I am standing in our formal dining room in front of our newly stocked wine cellar. We cannot wait to serve you in this room very soon. This week, we have a lot happening in this space. Our furniture, fixture, and equipment installation and delivery begins on Wednesday. You will notice a lot of hustle and bustle in these rooms. Also starting on Tuesday is our fitness center equipment installation. So again, a lot of exciting things are happening next week. And you remember that fire inspection? Well, unfortunately, we did not pass last week. We have about 15 to 20 sprinkler heads that need to be dropped in height. We also have to add 2 sprinkler heads to the Pilates studio. We have completed that work and we are anticipating a new inspection this coming Monday, where we hopefully will achieve our temporary occupancy permit, so we can get these spaces opened up and ready for you all. And now for your weekly construction update. The reception desk in the fitness center has been completed. The wood floors and millwork are complete in the new movement room. Equipment has been moved into the Pilates studio. And Sherry Coggin, our newly appointed Member Services and Spa Manager, is now at the Mirabelle reception desk. Stop on by at any time. The big news: our new wine cellar has been fully stocked and is awaiting your return to the dining room.
Hello Mirabelle members, Matt Proch, your Food and Beverage Director here. I just wanted to let you know that we are getting very excited as we are one step closer. As you can see, our wine cellar is now full. Come on in and take a look. And please keep your eye out for a new Mirabelle Minute coming up soon, talking about private parties. We will continue to keep you posted on our progress. Please log into our live cameras on the Mirabelle website.